Butterfly and moths.
That's what they feed on.
Fruits.
Orange.
Ang dami talagang butterfly everywhere. All over. Look at that. Ang ganda. Ang gorgeous na, no? It came close to me. Gorgeous. Thank you for coming close. I got to see your beautiful color. So happy. I love butterflies. Since I was little, I used to like run all over the meadow in the Philippines, in the countryside, in the rice field, and I have a net. I trying to catch butterflies and dragonfly. Ang iingay ng mag-asawa na Macau, yung blue and yellow Macau, tili ng tili. Yung mga paru-paro hindi sila maiilap, no? Parang sanay na sanay sila sa tao. Ang ganda nung may nakita ako malaki. May lumapit sa dito ko yung malaki kulay blue yung pakpak niya. Ooh, look at that. Look how close they get to people. They're not afraid. Usually butterfly is so yung aloof. Ay, ang ganda oh. Ang ganda. I saw one big butterfly like this big, and the color is iridescent navy blue, so beautiful. Gorgeous. Look at that. Ang dami. Different colors and species. Ayan yung nila metamorphosis, yung transformation from the very beginning and then yung different stages hanggang ayun lumabas na siya. Dahil wala na nakabukas na Atlas moth. Biologist species highlight. Atlas moth. Attacus atlas. Oh, this is the one I saw. Lumapit sa akin yan doon. Nasa video ko. Ang ganda niya, Tsaka yung pakpak niya, pag natamaan ng ilaw, kala mo nagsishimmer siya. Ang ganda niya. Wow, look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, the pitcher plant. Tignan mo yung halaman para siyang akala mo yung jar.
Oh, just like